Okay, people, this is an update here over Pasadena, repairing these pipes. You see, we got these two together over here. You go over here. I had that elbow loose, so we gotta go get that fitting. And you can see that right over here. Yep, so the thing popped. I got a 3/4 inch that popped. That's 1/2 inch. Yep, so we got that pipe back together. And this is the one that I had to repair besides that other 1/2 inch elbow. Yep, so just giving you guys an update, and I will show you the finished product. Alright, thanks.